Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College, Kannad. Now today's article is some crystal structures. Now atomic bonding in this group of materials is a metallic within the hard sphere model for the representation of a crystal structure. Each sphere represents an ion core. Three relatively simple crystal structures are found for the most of the common metals: body-centered cubic, face-centered cubic, and hexagonal closed pack. Now, first of all, simple cubic structure. This is a simple cubic structure. The simplest and easiest structure to describe is the simple cubic crystal structure, which is shown in figure. This is cubic crystal, which shows the unit cell of a simple cubic structure. In simple cubic lattice, there is one lattice point at each of the 8 corners of the unit cell. If we take an atom at one corner as the center, it is observed that this atom is surrounded by 6 equidistant nearest neighbors, and hence the coordination number of simple cubic lattice is 6. In this structure, each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. Hence, the share of each corner atom to unit cell is 1/8 of the atom. In this way, the total number of atoms in unit cell will be 1 by 8 into 8, that is equal to 1 atom. In other words, the effective number of lattice points in a simple cubic cell is 1. The simple cubic is a primitive cell. In this structure, the atoms touch each other along the edges. Hence, the nearest neighbor distance is A is equal to 2r. This is A, which is equal to 2r. We note that following features: coordination number n is equal to 6, nearest neighbor distance 2r is equal to A, lattice constant A is equal to 2r, number of the atoms per unit cell is 1, number of lattice point is 1, volume of all atoms in unit cell is V is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, volume of unit cell V is equal to A cube, that is 2r raised to cube. Therefore, the packing fraction is V small v upon V, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube upon A cube. Now, packing fraction is equal to r cube. A is equal to 2r, that is 8r cube, therefore which is equal to pi by 6, which is equal to 0.52, or packing fraction is 52%. Now next is body centered cubic structure. In body centered cubic structure, second one, it is body center. Elements that exhibit this structure are lithium, sodium, potassium, and chromium. In this structure, in unit cell, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners and another atom at the body center. as the body center is contained entirely within the unit cell and is not shared by the surrounding unit cell. The number of atoms per unit cell in BCC structure is 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1, which is equal to 2. The corner atoms do not touch each other, but each corner atom touches the body centered atom along the body diagonal. Hence, the coordination number of this structure is 8. The calculation of lattice constant. Now, lattice constant A, value of A is equal to 4r by root 3 or 2r is equal to A root 3 by 2. We shall now calculate the packing factors from the following data. Coordination number n is equal to 8. Nearest neighbor distance 2r is equal to A root 3 by 2. Lattice constant A is equal to 4r by root 3. Number of atoms per unit cell is 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Volume of all the atoms in unit cell is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell capital V is equal to A cube, which is equal to 64 r cube by 3 root 3. Therefore, the packing factor or packing fraction is given by root 3 pi by 8, which is equal to 0.68 or 68%. That is, BCC structure is closely packed structure than simple cubic, closest packing. Now next is face centered cubic. This is a simple cubic. This is body centered cubic. One atom is additional here at the center of the body, and all the atoms are like this. Now in face centered cubic, the atoms are situated at the faces of each faces. In the case of FCC lattice, that is face centered cubic, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the unit cell and 6 atoms at the centers of 6 faces. Considering the atom Considering the atoms at the face centered as a origin, it can be observed that this face is common to two unit cells and there are 12 points surrounding it situated at a distance equal to half the face diagonal of the unit cell. Thus, the coordination number of FCC lattice is 12. The atoms touch each other along the face diagonal. Each corner atom is shared by 8 surrounding unit cells, and each of the FCC centered atom is shared by 2 surrounding unit cells. Thus, the total number of atoms in FCC is 1 by 8 into 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 4. We thus note in FCC structure that coordination number n is equal to 12, lattice constant A is equal to 4r by root 2, nearest neighbor distance 2r is equal to A root 2 by 2, number of the atoms per unit cell n is equal to 4, volume of the atoms in unit cell is 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell V is equal to A cube that is 64 into r cube upon 2 root 2. Therefore, atomic packing factor of FCC structure is calculated by, which is equal to pi by 3 root 2, which is equal to 0.74, or it is a 74%. Means that the FCC is more packed than VCC and simple cubic. The example of this simple cubic is copper, aluminum, lead, and silver have the structure like